Hi, today we're talking on copper foiling. Specifically right now we're going to talk about the adhesion process between your solder and your copper foiling. There is a medium that you need to use when doing this, and it's called flux. This chemical, flux, will help your solder to adhere to your copper panels, like as you see right here. There is a flux brush that you can get at your local art and craft store for glass. And this is a flux paste. This is very nicely used. There is also a flux gel. There's a flux liquid. So it's whatever you prefer. And what you would do is you would take and grab you some flux on the end of your brush, and you would run it over the area that you're going to solder. Say I was going to solder this piece right here. So I would run it over that before I was to apply the lead. Before I was to apply the solder to the copper foiling, which will help it to just run nice and smooth, and it will stick to it and adhere, and it will join your pieces together. So this is a very important part of the process.